everybody, my name is Danielle. I'm from the Netherlands. So we just drove through Ljubljana and I already love this city, especially because there are no cars in the center. We just saw a boat, I waved like crazy, everybody waved back, it was fun. We're gonna visit the mines and we're not gonna do this by foot, we're actually gonna go through the mines by mountain bike, so I can't wait. It was good to be with a group of people. You don't want to be left behind because it's so big, it's incredible. You don't see anything, the only light you have is the helmet you're wearing. So it's exciting and that's part of the fun. We're in this stunning place called Logar Valley and I can't wait to get on my bike. I think I just discovered photographer's heaven. This is so beautiful with the flowers and there was a butterfly actually on my hand and the scenery is just amazing. This is so cool. Today was my highlight of this week, cycling through Gyska Buddha. I thought it was the most amazing landscape through the vineyards and it was like a painting. Oh, we're so dead. Just arrived to Gyska Buddha and this is the place for the pony race. I was very surprised by the amount of people. There was so many people and they were all very funny looking and the spirit was good. I've never done something like this before, so it was extra difficult for me. But I kept thinking, I can do this, I can do this, I'm strong, I'm strong. It was like a mantra or something. And at a certain point, I finally arrived at the ending point and everybody was cheering and waving and I was happy and we were hugging and cheering and laughing and we were having so much fun. And I think that's the whole purpose of the pony ride, just having fun together. We're at this amazing place called Boheme. The area is once again stunning. We had these fields of flowers and there was these fly fishers and the mountain. The other ambassadors really suck. I hate them. No, it's a joke. I love them. It was such a great group of ambassadors and we had so much fun together and we were like the best team ever. I loved it.